Hello student, today we will study some catabolic pathways of phenylalanine and tyrosine and their metabolic disorders. Phenylalanine and tyrosine are structurally related aromatic compound. These are the structures of phenylalanine and tyrosine. Tyrosine possesses an extra hydroxyl group at para position of benzene. Tryptophan are the aromatic amino acid. Metabolism of these amino acids deserve special mentions like number of biologically important compounds produced from them and deficiency of a gene in the metabolic pathway of these amino acids result in number of inborn and of clinically importance. Phenylalanine and tryptophan are nutritionally essential amino acid, but tyrosine is not as it can be synthesized from phenylalanine. Phenylalanine and tyrosine. This is overview of phenylalanine and tyrosine metabolism. Phenylalanine is used for the preparation of protein and it is also utilized for the synthesis of tyrosine. Tyrosine is used for the synthesis of thyroid hormones T3 and T4, norepinephrine, epinephrine, which are found in adrenal medulla, and also for the synthesis of dopamine and some melanin pigment which are found in skin, hair and eye. It is also used for the production of glucose and fat. Of phenylalanine to tyrosine. This is degradation pathway of phenylalanine to tyrosine. So phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine in the presence of phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. In next step, tyrosine first undergoes transamination to give para-hydroxyphenylpyruvate. This reaction is catalyzed by tyrosine transaminase enzyme, which is PLP dependent. In next step, para-hydroxyphenylpyruvate converted into homogentisate in the presence of para-hydroxyphenylpyruvate dioxygenase enzyme. In next step, homogentisate oxidase enzyme convert homogentisate into 4-metyl acetoacetate. 4-fumarate acetate. Then fumaryl acetoacetate bring about hydrolysis of fumaryl acetoacetate into fumarate and acetoacetate in the presence of enzyme fumaryl acetoacetate hydroxylase. Then fumarate is used for the production of glucose and acetoacetate is used for the preparation of acetyl-CoA, and this acetyl-CoA is used for the production of lipids. Next, synthesis of thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones, that is thyroxine and triiodothyronine, are synthesized from the tyrosine residue and tyrosine residue of protein thyroglobulin and activated iodine. So in first step, tyrosine residue in the presence of activated iodine converted into T3 and T4. Next, disorders which cause due to defect in phenylalanine and tyrosine metabolism, like phenylketonuria, tyrosinemia type 2, neonatal tyrosinemia, alkaptonuria, and tyrosinemia type 1.